In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Google Chrome to the latest version. Keeping Chrome updated gives you the newest features, better performance, and important security fixes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click About Chrome. If you don't see it, scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If a new version is available, it will begin downloading and installing it automatically. Wait for the update to finish. Once it's complete, click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the update. Your open tabs will usually reopen automatically after Chrome restarts. If you see the message Google Chrome is up to date, you're already using the latest version and no further action is required. To keep your browser secure and running smoothly, install Chrome updates whenever they're available. That's how to update Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.